Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain about camera. Let's begin! Let's start! In the default state, the camera is already in place. To add a new camera, press Shift plus A and select Camera. You can add multiple cameras, but only one camera is used during rendering. And the camera used during the rendering is called the active camera. The triangle at the top of the active camera is filled with black, while in active cameras, the triangle is not filled. Select the camera you want to activate. Select View, Camera Setting, set Active Object as Camera. You can switch to the camera viewpoint by pressing 0. Now, I'll explain the camera settings from the camera object properties. Focal length zooms the camera. The larger the focal length is, the wider the telephoto is, and the smaller the focal length is, the wider the angle is. Let's move the rendering position. Please note that the position of the camera has not changed. Next is setting the camera angle. Select View, Align Active Camera to View. In this way, you can specify the viewpoint in the 3D viewport as the camera viewpoint. Open the View tab from the sidebar and check Camera to View. You can change the camera angle by moving the mouse while holding down the mouse wheel. After changing the camera angle, uncheck Camera to View. Let's make sure that the camera always follows the object. This feature is useful when creating animations. Click Add Object Constraint from Object Constraint Properties. Select Track To. Then a blue line will be added like this. This blue line is the direction the camera is tracking. Select Cube as the target. Then even if you move the position of the camera will always follow the cube. By setting the depth of field, you can focus on the object or blur the object. First, check Depth of Field from Object Data Properties. Select the object to focus on from Focus on Object. In this way, you can change the object to focus on. In this way, if you change the object to focus on, the rest will become blurry. Empty Focus on Object. Focus distance can also be set value. You can change the focus distance in this way. The aperture of camera can be set from f-stop. In this way, the smaller the f-stop is, the greater the blur is. This is the end of the explanation about camera. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.